We arrived at the airport.
Welcome to Melon Airways Airport. Do you have any tickets and passports?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check them. Okay, good. You have to go through the metal detector. So this is the metal detector. Green means good, and red means metal. I will start off first. Good, now you can pass off.
Is it green?
Yep.
Is it green?
Yep.
Green also.
Yup, which means you're all good. Now you may take your seats.
Attention, Flight 250 of Melon Airways is arriving. Please don't miss it, thank you. Flight 250 is arrived. You may get on the plane.
Good afternoon, passengers. We'll be going on a plane trip to the Super Nintendo world.
6 minutes later.
Attention, you may take off your seatbelt if you want to.
I'm just not going to. White what?
No.
Tell my parents. I love